So the Feds have aggressively cut rates by half a percentage, bringing the Fed funds rate down to 4 and 7/8. The Feds is also forecasting another half a basis point cut by the end of this year and an additional 1% cut in 2025. It should be noted that these forecasts may change in either direction as economic data presents itself. The Fed is also trying to ease interest rates to keep the economy from entering a recession. Let's remember that mortgage rates may not directly follow the Fed's funds rate or move in similar increments, but overall interest rates, in an environment is moving when it's moving lower. That's typically a good sign for mortgage rates. I'm monitoring this closely to see how this can benefit you for a purchase or a refinance. Mortgage rates have already come down significantly from their highs of last year, so it might be worthwhile to see how much I can help you save.